Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Monday, January 13th, and this is my recap of the more popular pairs of the day, which is definitely normally the euro dollar, the pound dollar, and gold. But if you haven't done so already, definitely take a look at my free Discord channel. It is 100% free to join it. I'd like to build a community of like-minded traders willing to help each other out. If you would like to join my membership on my website, fxpipcollector.com, then you get access to all the benefits listed below for only $30 per month. So, anyways, let's start off on the euro dollar. But first of all, let's take a look at the news calendar. There's no news in the Asian session this evening. There is a little bit of Chinese news, but it is tentative, so you don't really know exactly what time it is. But tomorrow in the New York session, we have PPI news, which can definitely be a market mover. If you look on here, that is the change of price of finished goods and services sold by producers. So definitely keep an eye out. I think the next big news event is going to be the PPI news. So keep an eye out for that for sure. So anyways, starting off on the euro dollar. The euro dollar did start off pretty strong today to the downside, but there still is no break of structure up. I was saying this morning that if it breaks up, then you could justify looking for longs, but I mean, there's still no break of structure. Even on the 1 hour time frame, no break. Daily time frame break of structure is still way up here. So I would definitely still be looking for shorts unless it breaks up. If it does break up, then I would put my Fibonacci retracement on the last push down and I would look for three waves up and another impulsive move to go short again. If you are a very short time frame trader, you could justify trying to go long at the end of like a wave B of an ABC correction. And if you're lucky and it turns into a 1, 2, 3, that's kind of like a bonus trade. But I would be very cautious with your longs because the market momentum is definitely still down. Now moving on to the pound dollar did break structure at least on the 1 hour time frame, as you can see this afternoon. Now, I personally am still waiting for shorts. I am definitely still waiting for like three waves up and probably a Fibonacci bounce and another push down. But now that we got a break of structure to the upside, if you are a very short time frame trader, which I am not, then you could definitely try to get in at the end of a wave B to the long side. And if it doesn't turn out to be a wave B, but it actually is a 1, 2, 3, and it just keeps on going up, that's like a bonus trade. If you get in at the end of a wave B and then it goes up to any one of these Fibonacci retracement level, makes it a nice engulfing move down, then I would definitely think about getting short again because the momentum is down on literally every single time frame on this one also. So, anyways, moving on to gold. Gold is actually one of the ones that made the biggest move today, as you can see. Really nice move to the downside. And you can see extremely clearly that this is impulsive down, wave one, three waves up, wave two, impulsive down, wave three. We are definitely in a wave three right now. Now, one of my members was pointing out that this could be like an A and this could be a B and it could be a running flat, which means that it would bounce off like a Fibonacci level and continue the uptrend. Or possibly it could be an expanding flat, and if it is an expanding flat, then it will not break structure until after it takes out these previous lows. So really, the key is to pay attention to your Fibonacci levels. If you get a break of structure at a Fib level, then great. Switch it up and start looking for longs again. If you do not get a break of structure at a Fibonacci level and it just keeps on going down, especially if you are a short time frame trader, then just continue to look for shorts at every single pullback you see. I'm kind of hoping that this real up here really is the end of a correction on the daily and it just keeps on going down, making lower lows, lower highs because I've been short on this for a while, looking to get a nice swing out of it. But if it does turn out to be a wave C, that's fine. I'll just exit my short and I'll go long for the continuation of the uptrend. So, like I said, don't forget to join my free Discord community, 100% free to join, all about trading. And don't forget to check out my website, fxpipcollector.com, if you'd like to get access to all the benefits listed below. So, anyways, as always, thank you and happy trading to everyone.